What's up, y'all? It's foot spa time. I absolutely love my new heated foot spa. So here I'm just showing you guys the different settings. You can have it on only bubbles, only heat, or you can have it on heat and bubbles, which is what I chose. You can basically put like cold, lukewarm water in it and it will heat it right up for you. So you don't have to put hot water in it. I'm adding my coconut hibiscus Boticology bubble bath bar in here. This I picked up from Target. It's an Epsom salt foot soak peppermint and it smells so good. It was just $1.99. So you add 1 cup of this to your foot spa. You can even mix it into like a body wash and use it for a foot scrub. I add apple cider vinegar because it will take off all the dead skin off of your feet. And if you have any type of like fungus on your toenails, it will get rid of that as well. Adding just a tiny bit of my Bath and Body Works shower gel to it, just so it will have a little soap in it, a little bit more bubbles, and I'm just stirring it all up, honey. This is about to be amazing. You guys have not got y'all a heated foot spa yet? Go pick you one up. It feels so good. I literally can keep my feet in this thing for like an hour. This is so relaxing. Just love it. So I'm trying to sit here and relax my little feet, but my husband is playing the game in the background if y'all can hear him. So I'm gonna put me a little face mask on, honey ginseng and orange, and chill out. Bye, y'all. Wait a minute, had to throw this in. Hubby let me play the meticulous manicurist on his feet, honey, and I did so good with all my little tools.